Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Joe back with the Minutes SI Racing Project, back with another video and another part. This part I wasn't really expecting to come in just yet. I was expecting something else, but since this came first, we'll just go with this. And let me show you what it is. It's a side skirt. It's not the traditional side skirt. I didn't really want that type of look, the long strip that just went along the whole car. So I did something different. This one's like a little shorter, about half a side skirt, and it angles in towards the car, towards the middle of the car. Let me show you. I'll show you a full picture later, and then I'll show you them on the car. It's about, let's see. That's one side. Let me show you the other side. And it angles in towards the car, slimmer on one side. So that's going to start like towards the back of the car and then eventually angle in towards the middle of the car. I didn't really want the long strip that just went straight across the car and just have a long strip alongside the car. I wanted to have a little bit more definition, a little more angles, and you know, just do something different. That's just really not my style, so I'm gonna try these out and see how it looks. It's really easy install. You just screw them on to the side skirt, the bottom of the side skirt. Come with screws, and just put as many screws as you want underneath. Other than that, let me just show you a few pictures, and then go ahead and get it installed and make and I'll go ahead and make another clip on what it looks like when it's installed. Yeah, so that's what they look like. Also, let me give you a screenshot of where I got them from, how much they were. They're actually pretty cheap. They're not expensive at all. And they're made out of, they're not carbon fiber, but they're made out of a plastic. And then the good thing about them not being made out of real carbon fiber is if they get hit, they won't crack. They're made out of a type of plastic that's flexible. So this plastic is, you can bend it. It has some flex to it, not too much, but a little bit to where it won't just crack if you hit something. So that's another thing that I like about these. And they were only, I think, about 30 bucks. So you can't go wrong. And they should look pretty good on the car. So let me go ahead and install those and see what it looks like. Thanks.